get ready with me as we prepare for Tawala Beach. So this is me trying to do something with my hair. Yes, I watched some tutorials on YouTube to get my hair done. So this is me after dressing up. I didn't get time to film the whole process, so this is me all dressed up. Yep, looking so gorgeous and showing myself off. Yeah, so I got this top from Tanya collection. Yes, so this is me. Oh, Pearl, looking so pretty. Yes, so I went outside to make some videos before setting up, and there's my honey choco choco. Oh, he's so fine, you know. Yeah, so Tawala Beach is a private beach, so this is us in the car preparing to leave, you know, and doing some videos and all that in the car before we set on the road. Yeah, so there was no traffic. As you can see, the road was free, so we were speeding, not over speeding. We just wanted to get there on time so that we can have more time and enjoy. So
when they were stopping, he told the driver to go. So you see that the man had to say stop again.
we arrived at Tawala Beach. This is the entrance, and we are entering. Yes, this is the view. Yep, it's a private beach, so it's more private, you know. You have your privacy, you know. I know that it's a private beach, Tawala Beach. I used to call it, or I still call it, the beach of Nyash. You see Nyash everywhere. So this is me enjoying my baby girl treatment. Oh, they opened door for me. Then I came out looking bougie. Yes, so this is me walking in through the entrance. So I went to the banks of the sea to try the water, put my legs in it, but then I was scared. Then my baby was like, "Baby, get inside the water." I was like, "No, I'm scared." So it was time to eat, and those of you that know me know that I don't take in alcohol, so I just ordered for Coca-Cola. Yes, so I saw an aeroplane in the sky, so I tried video, and then after that I ordered for food. So I ordered for chips with turkey, and they brought it. Ta-da! Watch me enjoy it. We stayed long to enjoy the breeze and nature till evening when we decided to leave. This is me showing off my walkings. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and vloggings. This is the end of today's vlog. Please subscribe and bye-bye. Mwah.